Hello dear students, I Dr.Rakhee, Assistant Professor, Department of Anatomy, RIMS, Raipur. Today we are going to discuss about a fossa which present in front of the elbow joint. We call it as a cubital fossa. Okay, so over you can see a triangular depression in front of the elbow joint. This triangular depression we call as a cubital fossa. So first we will see the boundaries of this cubital fossa. So this cubital fossa, it is bounded along the medial aspect by one muscle. You can see this muscle over here. This one is the pronator teres muscle. And another muscle which forms its lateral boundary, and that one is the brachioradialis. So you can see over here this muscle, this one is the brachioradialis. So we can say the medial boundary of the cubital fossa, it is formed by the lateral border of the pronator teres, and its lateral boundary, it is formed by medial border of the brachioradialis. The apex of this triangular fossa, it is directed downward, and it is formed by convergence of these two marginal muscles. While the base of this triangle, it is formed by an imaginary line which joins the two epicondyles, that is lateral epicondyle and the medial epicondyle. The content of this fossa, you can see the content of this fossa over here. If you go from the medial to lateral aspect, you can see the content. You can see the content over here. This is the first content of the cubital fossa, and this one is the median nerve. Then another content you can see over here, this one is the brachial artery, and the third content you can see over here. Can you see this tendon? This one is the tendon of the biceps brachii muscle, and the fourth content you can see over here, actually in just upper part, this one is the radial nerve. So these are the four content. If you go from the medial to lateral aspect, median nerve, brachial artery, tendon of biceps and the radial nerve, you can remember this by mnemonic, that is MBBR. M stands for median nerve, B for the brachial artery, and this one is for the tendon of the biceps brachii, that is another B, and R for the radial nerve. The floor of this cubital fossa, it is formed by the two muscles. You can see we have to just retract the boundaries before viewing the floor of this fossa. So above and medially, you can see this tendon over here. Above and medially, this one is that floor. It is formed by the brachialis muscle. You can see the brachialis muscle over here, and below and laterally, you can see the another muscle over here. This one, and this muscle is the supinator muscle. So this one is our cubital fossa.